Hi, I'm Aaron from Van Damme. We're here at Van Damme headquarters in San Diego, California. We're sitting in a 2023 144 Sprinter for a good friend and her second build with Van Damme. As you can see when we get a tour of the inside, she is a fashion designer and the van speaks for itself. Up forward in the front cab, it's the Premium Plus package by Mercedes. We have leather seats on swivels, so you can spin around, have a good conversation with the people in the rear. Now this is hard. I know you've had your eyes on the SMEG fridge. It is beautiful, retro, looks great against this walnut cabinetry. On top is this beautiful black countertop by Wilson Art. And then she wanted to add some tile with some color, and it's pretty funky blue. I love it, it's a great feature. All right, in this kitchenette, it's supporting a stainless steel sink for doing the dishes. It's small, but it gets the job done. As you can see, there's no induction, so she's not cooking in here. This van was purely built for surf sessions and hanging out. She just wants that hot water in the rear to have a nice hot shower after the surf. We got walnut cabinetry up above, beautiful finish. And then, yeah, again, lots and lots of storage. Up above me, we have our signature poplar ceiling with a black sub-ceiling behind it to create that channel to run LEDs, which can go in RGBs. Lighting underneath the cabinetry here. Moving back to the ceiling, you can see these anchor points up above. One of her special requests was that at least 4 boards. So we can strap 2 boards to the ceiling using foam and crank downs up above. And then when we step outside, we'll show you where we strap the boards to the side of the van. All right, in the back of this spacious communal space, we can fit 3 on this side, 4 on this side, easy all day. Nice big table, 2 that are collapsible on air struts, which we'll show you in a second, which this will then convert into a bed. I love these cushions, the color. This is by Sunbrella, and everything that she has done within the van complements itself, and she did an excellent job with the overall design on the cosmetics, so we're super stoked. Underneath me here would be storage up forward, a little bit of storage here, and at the rear end we're looking at the electrical Victron system. We didn't need a large system for this van. She doesn't have the AC, just one max air fan up above, so 400 amp hours gets the job done. And then on this side we have the ISO temp that we tied into the glycol up forward, so when she's driving it's heating up that tank, and it's here in San Diego that glycol stays hot for an extremely long period of time. All right, for this van we didn't need to have a freshwater tank on the inside of the vehicle. She wasn't going to go below freezing, so we have the 35 gallon and the spare tire carrier. She's hitting the beach, and so she's only showering outside, so we have a very small grey tank for holding the sink water. And we can take a step outside, collapse these tables, and take a look at what this looks like with the bed in operation.
I'm Nate Murphy, and I have literally just bought this van to show you how to build a van. We have made a really detailed course which will help you go from this to this. You will learn everything you need. We help you specify your electrical system, and you'll be able to access the community all building their own vans at the same time.
Here at the back of the van we have, on the driver's side, what's essential is hot water post-surf, so a quick connect plug-in by Aqua. Fresh water tank located underneath, 35 gallons, analog here, and then all we have is just quick, easy setup. Dip into the side pocket, suction just goes directly on the window, plug and play, and we've got a folding teak mat that goes down here. I believe it's in the storage box on the rear, which we'll see in a second. And then so yeah, nice hot rinse post-surf, and rinse the boards before jumping in and sitting down and chilling out with friends. On the passenger side, we saw the electrical, ventilation for the electrical. Let's step back into the overall design. This van is a showstopper. I mean, it's beautiful. If we take another look, I'll step out of the shot. The textures and the colors and how everything complements itself. There's nothing floor to ceiling that closes the van out, so it keeps it nice and open and free-flowing. Table time, he might have to speed this up. I haven't done this for a couple of years. These are on air lift here, so technically if I just jump up here and compress, pull the cushions out of the way, and I just want to lock these back in place. 1, 2, and I'll get up the front and do the same up forward. All right, now Tetris. It has been a while to configure this, so let's figure this out. Nice, quick setup. I'm 6 foot on a good day. Let's kick the shoes off. She's not gonna want to see me jump on her bed. Let's see how big this is. All right. It's longer on this side. Let's get a pillow. I'm comfortable. There's space for more people. The missus, the pup, whoever. This is comfortable. I could do this all day. Lastly, on the exterior, let's take a look, see what's going on. We've done some black rhinos, 17s. I think they're Warlords, gunmetal on KO2 tyres, so plenty of grip there for when she's going to those sandy beaches, going for a surf. Up above, we have the Fiamma awning. This one's electric, has the LED porch light. So here we have a well-fabricated roof rack by VanSpeed. So ladder to get up top, full deck area to hang out, chill out with friends. And again, she needed to be able to stack 2 boards. These are going to be her longer boards on this side of the van. And easily, just by popping this latch here, it's going to click into place right there. And the 3 remaining ones, stack some foam, put the boards in, lash them down, and you're good to go. At the rear of the van, we have the spare tyre carrier on the door, and that's because we wanted to utilise the spare tyre carrier underneath the vehicle as a freshwater tank for those hot showers post-surf. On this side here, we had to come up with an idea because we were limited for space on the inside for her wetsuit. So this is purely a wetsuit locker. So again, after surf, pop the wetsuits in there, it's perforated, it's going to run out, and it holds other things like the freshwater hose, pre-filter, and that teak mat that goes down for that hot shower. So again, we're based here in Vista, San Diego, California. We invite people to visit the shop. Just be careful though that when you come, you'll end up signing. So we invite you to come to the shop and check us out, meet the boys, and see what the process is and see what we can get you into.
Are you thinking of building your own van, but you're worried about how complicated the process is? The bad news is, it is quite complicated. The good news is, we have made a super detailed online course to help you go from this to this. You will learn how to do insulation, carpentry, solar systems, everything you need. We help you specify your electrical system, and you'll be able to access the community all building their own vans at the same time. It's never been easier to learn how to build your own van.